Welcome to the TSE-X Creator Tool tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through how to create your own QR code or NFC tag and connect your device to the TSE network. When you first open the app, you'll land on the Connect Your Device page. At the bottom of the screen, tap the button labeled Creator Tool. Once inside the Creator Tool page, you'll see the device information section at the top. The first field is Device ID. Your device ID must begin with either TSE or X402. If it does not start with one of those prefixes, the backend server will not recognize the device, and it will not function on the TSE network. After the prefix, you can name the device anything you like. Next is device name. This is the name users will see when they scan your QR code or NFC tag. Make it clear so users understand what device they are interacting with. Below that is Select Device Type. During beta, available options include coffee maker, bike lock, power switch, door lock, and vending machine. More device types will be added after launch as additional use cases are introduced. Next is Device Model. This is for your own tracking purposes. The TSE system does not require it, but it allows you to organize your devices. Below that is firmware version. Again, this is for your own records, so you can track which firmware your device is running. Now scroll to the blockchain and wallet section. Here you select whether your device will receive payments on Solana, Base, or both. Toggle the blockchain you want to use and enter the wallet address that will receive payments for this device. Once your wallet information is entered, scroll down and tap Generate Payload. When you do this, two things are created: a JSON payload and a QR code. The JSON payload does not need to be pasted into your Arduino code. Instead, the JSON can be used if you want to generate your own custom QR code using a third-party QR code generator. For example, you can paste that JSON into a free QR tool like qr-code-generator.com. Or, you can simply use the QR code that the app generates and take a screenshot of it. Now, let's connect this to your Arduino device. To download the device code, go to tse-sol.com/tse-x. Scroll down to the section labeled Explore TSE-X builds. There, you'll find links to the official TSE Arduino library and device builds. For this demonstration, we'll click on the Bike Lock direct link. Once the GitHub page opens, look for the download arrow and download the Bike Lock code. If you already have the Arduino software installed, opening the downloaded file should launch it automatically. Otherwise, open it manually inside the Arduino IDE. Once inside the code, you'll see the device information lines near the top of the file. Go through each line and copy over the same information you entered in the Creator tool: device ID, device name, blockchain selection, wallet address, and any other matching device fields. At this point, the device will function on the TSE network. However, it will still be considered unregistered. This means it works, but it is not secured to you. If someone else creates a device using the same device ID, they could technically run it as well. To secure it, we now move to registration. Back inside the app, tap Register. A device register window will appear, and the system will generate a device secret. This is extremely important. When you register your device, it becomes locked to that secret code. Copy the device secret and paste it into your Arduino code where indicated, alongside your device ID. This allows the back-end server to verify that your device is officially registered and prevents unauthorized duplication. Once the device secret is added and uploaded to your Arduino device, your hardware is now securely registered on the TSE network. If you forget your secret, you can tap the secret code button inside the app to retrieve it. Important note: the secret code remains available only until you register another device. Once a new device is registered, the previous secret code is no longer retrievable. If you need to reset a registration or re-register a device, you can contact thesocialexperimentso@gmail.com. Now let's look at Write to NFC. After creating and registering your device, tap Write to NFC. Your phone will prompt you to scan a tag. Hold the NFC tag near your phone, and the app will write the full device payload directly to it. Your NFC tag is now ready for use. Finally, there is Reset to Home. Holding this button clears all fields so you can start fresh and create a new device. And that's it. You now know how to create your device, download the official Arduino build, configure your device code, register and secure your hardware, and deploy via QR code or NFC tag. Welcome to Building on the TSE-X network, where the Creator tool gives you full control, from device creation to secure registration and real-world deployment. Thank you for building with us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.